It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a quick hair review of some super affordable unprocessed Brazilian hair. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so like I said, y'all know I like to make my hair reviews pretty quick and straight to the point because that's what type of videos I like to watch, honestly. So this hair is by a brand called Starlet. Like I said, I did get this from Samsbeauty, but I also believe you can find this hair on Amazon as well. So this is the Starlet 100% virgin human hair. The style that I have this in is loose wave. I did purchase 2 bundles. I purchased a 16-inch and an 18-inch, and I got this in the color natural. So if you are looking at this hair right now, of course you know this hair is not like a natural brown color, and that's because I did dye this hair. I got this hair with some box dye that I got from the beauty supply store, so it didn't have like real, like it didn't have any bleach in it. I believe it was the Claridol, I could be saying that wrong, box dye in the color honey blonde. What's it, honey blonde? I believe so. This is how the color turned out, which I actually dyed my real hair a few weeks ago, so I had to dye this hair before I even put it in, and it matched perfectly. So yes, this was the honey blonde, and that's how the color turned out. So let me give you guys the specs on this hair as they have it stated on a website. So like I said, this is in the curl pattern, loose wave. It is Brazilian hair, grade 10A. It is 100% virgin hair as they state. The hair is double width, and it says it can be dyed, permed, and bleached. And like I said, I did dye this hair, so that is 100% true. So y'all, I have had this hair in, well, first off, this is a quick weave, of course. Y'all know I love my quick weaves. So I have had this hair in for a week now, and I just absolutely love this hair. It is so soft. The hair, y'all, this hair is so soft. It curls really good. I have not straightened the hair like bone straight, but I have curled this hair with like my curling iron, with my flat iron, as well as I have used my wand curler as well to curl this hair, and it curls perfectly. As y'all can see, like I do have still a few curls left in here, so it curls perfectly. It holds a curl, and I just absolutely love it. So of course I had to hop in really quickly to show you guys this hair that I purchased from Samsbeauty. I would definitely repurchase this hair because I feel like it is definitely great quality for the price, and I would not be throwing this hair away. I would actually be saving this hair because normally I always just throw my hair away once I'm done with it, but this hair I would definitely be holding on to, especially since I know that it does, like, it takes the dye and everything pretty well. So I will probably dye this hair again. So yeah guys, I just want to share with you guys all the information on this hair that I have been loving, y'all. Look, oh my god. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions about this hair, of course leave them down in the comment section, because y'all know I always respond. And yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.